I'm in a 2006 Nissan Murano, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll pop down and you should see a lever here that'll release the hood. And if you hear that pop sound, that was that safety lock releasing. And if you're having issues with this part, if you can see it here, there's a cable right by my finger. You want to make sure that cable's attached to this. If it's not attached, that might be something you need to address. But we'll go up to the front now. And this should be slightly loose now, and there's going to be a lever right here, so we're going to push and lift. So push and lift, and fortunately it's got these little hydraulic lifts to hold it up, but that's where it was hooked onto right here. And then down here is that lever I was pushing. So double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If this is sticking a lot, you might try some WD-40 as well to loosen these. Maybe this is loose in general, needs tightened up or just replaced. These are pretty inexpensive. And also double check your hood's in proper alignment, because if this whole thing's crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.